lease amortization schedule is foundational to ASC 842 and IFRS 16. So here's how they calculate your lease amortization schedules using Occupier's free lease amortization schedule Excel template. Before we begin, make sure you download the template via the link in our description or here. So what is the definition of lease amortization? Lease amortization is the process of paying down an operating or finance lease over time, usually the lease term. And under ASC 842, operating and finance leases will have the same amortization schedule for the lease liability, but slightly different amortization schedules for the right of use asset. And with our Excel template, you'll be guided on how to calculate your lease amortization schedules for both types. Lease amortization schedules can get complicated, but our Excel template makes the process much easier. Now, let's get into it. The first thing that you're going to see when you open up the Occupier's lease amortization schedule is the instructions tab. And how our amortization schedule works is that every cell that is this beautiful teal color is going to be a data input cell, meaning you have to manually enter in information such as the measurement date or value of lease payments. The third tab is where the lease amortization schedule exists. And as you'll see here, the top is your primary inputs like your measurement date, expiration date, your discount rate, the classification. These are all very critical to building that amortization schedule. Also really critical is your lease payment schedule. You'll see here we have $15,000, but then we have annual increases here. So you'll want to enter this as it is displayed in your lease to make sure that you get the accurate initial lease liability. Again, calculating your lease amortization schedule doesn't have to be complicated. With this Excel template, you can easily see your payment schedule and other important lease information. If you need any additional assistance in lease accounting, the team at Occupier is happy to support your in-house or outsourced CPA. Happy lease accounting!